totally see that, right? You don't know what you have until it's gone.
Right.
Well,
or maybe it's the idea of experiencing things. You know, people say better to spend money on experiences as opposed to gifts and
I agree with that, too.
clothes and toys.
Well, and I mean, if you were missing snow or winter-like weather, then perhaps you'll get a little bit of a taste today as we go into the afternoon. Is it really going to snow?
It is tough when we're talking about rain and snow showing up right in time for people to head out. But yeah, even here in the city, we could have a few snowflakes fly here. I wanted to start with some travel weather just so that you know what you're bracing for as you head out the door. The trouble spot today for travel is going to be the Northeast. The Great Lakes over through the Northeast. That's where this Clipper system is bringing rain and snow. But the Southeast looks dry. And the center of the country, sunny and beautiful. The West Coast, what they're facing is record warmth rather than cold and snow. But moving into tomorrow, it's the Northwest that we will see some travel trouble potential with another storm system moving in. And this storm system that impacts the Pacific Northwest tomorrow, actually traversing the country and could bring us another chance for rain or snow on Christmas Eve, close to home. So we'll have more on that. But today, got to start with the AccuWeather alert due to the rain and snow that's on the way as we speak. Right now, cloudy skies, 37 degrees as we look outside. North and west, we are sub-freezing. Some flurries already flying there. 34 for Morristown, 39 in Belmar, 38 for Islip. Here's the main event, right? The radar already starting to light up. Not that it's all that widespread or consistent right now. And again, rainfall and snowfall intensity is fairly light, but still enough to notice. Down the shore, Stafford, Toms River, up through Ocean, New Jersey, all seeing light rain right now. But as you head toward Old Bridge, maybe some light flurries starting to move in. We're seeing some snowfall in portions of Warren and Hunterdon counties. This is moving into Morris County. Looks like Huntington in Nassau County starting to see some snow over through Great River, some light rain, and out in the Hamptons, it looks like some rain and drizzle from East Hampton over through Montauk. The lower Hudson Valley fairly dry right now, but it looks like a few flurries are starting to fly in. And again, more where that came from. As we look off to our west, the focus for the bad weather today so far has been closer to Chicago. O'Hare actually had some delays earlier this morning due to poor visibility and snow falling there. That's beginning to shift east, but if you are flying from Cincinnati over through portions of Pennsylvania into western New York, some snow falling there, that could be trouble. And then moving into this afternoon, it's the I-95 corridor. It's Philly up through New York City, up through Boston that the showers will start to impact. So I want to time this out for you on Futurecast. And it looks like as we move toward midday, that's when the rain and snow begins to fall. From the city south and east, primarily rain, but it looks like even the city getting a rain-snow mix at times this afternoon. And immediately north and west is where it will be straight snowfall. The intensity is fairly light, but still could stack up a few inches, especially as you head well north and west of the city to the higher elevations. So through this afternoon, we do expect the rain and snow. Looks like there could be a lull tonight from the city south and east, where light snow will continue to fall from northwest New Jersey and parts of the lower Hudson Valley. But moving through the overnight hours into first thing tomorrow morning, a band of snow drifts through the entire area, and that, I think, is the city's best chance at actually seeing accumulating snowfall. Even then, only a coating to an inch, but still enough to make things slick. Then we dry out the forecast pattern as the coldest air so far this season settles in for the weekend. We're back to sunny skies Saturday afternoon into Sunday, but frigid temperatures. So here's that expected snow map. Again, for the city south and east, a coating to an inch. That is enough to make it slick, but not necessarily impressive snowfall. But immediately north and west, 1 to 3 inches as we move into tomorrow morning. It's going to become gusty, blustery today, and then downright windy into tomorrow. Here's a look at the hour-by-hour forecast for today. You see temperatures don't move much. We'll get the rain and snow showers through this afternoon and another round tomorrow morning. So we are calling it an AccuWeather alert, but mainly as we move toward midday into tonight. Temperatures will top out today in the upper 30s. Some slick spots as the snow drifts through tonight. And then tomorrow, early snow, and then we clear out that snow by late morning, early afternoon, blustery wind and cold. Look at these temperatures. Our highs are just in the 20s on Sunday. It will feel frigid even with the sunshine, and then we moderate in temperature a bit moving toward Christmas Day.
I don't mind an inch of snow.
And
it's pretty, and then it leaves.
Coating to an inch is
pretty for like an hour.
really all we're looking at in the city. But we're alerting this, and, I think the city's taking their precautions just because of how many people are traveling.
And to that point, especially people driving, we haven't really dealt with a lot of winter weather in a while.
It's been a while, right?
Yeah, it's good to remember. Good stuff.
All right, now to the holiday strikes at